have knocks were heard at the door, and the silence is human. Did the gloomy ones discover a peaceful home? Mother side, please, boys, hide in the cellar. There, in the cellar, where he can't find you. I tried to leave my father's arms, but he did not move. It seemed like his feet were glued to the floor. The door went bang, and before us, 5 ugly beasts came barging into the door. Are you the passenger of Sandra? Roared the ugliest of them all. Yes, said my father. You are under arrest, said one of the beasts. Father was overwhelmed on us. He was not given a chance to just goodbye. We followed them, mile after mile. We were very hungry and thirsty. We saw different Japanese eating. Oh, how our mouths watered from the delicious food they were eating. Suddenly, we heard the voice call, Consuelo! Oscar! Consuelo! Oscar! Consuelo! Oscar! We ran towards the direction of the voice, but it was too late! What? Father was dead, hanging on the tree. Dead. Oh, it was terrible. He had been badly beaten and the worms inside. And I cried out, vengeance! 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 Everything went black. The next thing I knew, I was nursing my poor invalid's mother. One day, we heard the church bell ring. Ding dong! Ding dong! It was a sign for us to find shelter in our hideout, but I could not leave my poor invalid mother behind. I tried showing her the way to the hideout. Suddenly, bombs started falling from the sky. Airplanes were roaring overhead. Canyons were firing everywhere. Boom! 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 Mother was hit. Her legs shattered into pieces. I took her up gently up my arms and I cried out, I'll have vengeance! Vengeance! No, Oscar. Vengeance is God's. Those were the words Mother said. But I cried out, vengeance! I was like a pent-up volcano. No, vengeance is mine, not the Lord's. No, Oscar. Vengeance is not ours, it's God's. Those were the last words God said before she went hard. Mother was dead, and I was blind. Vengeance is not ours. Forgiveness is your God. Vengeance is sweeter. That was 5 years ago. But spare me of children. Spare me your mercy. I'm a child, so young, so weak, and so glad. Vengeance is not ours. It's God's.